Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use this free planet asset in your project files, your skits, or your movies. And like always, you can download all the assets by clicking the link in the description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So when you download the assets, you'll get into a folder. I'm going to have two different video files here. Now, both of these videos have an alpha background. You just drag and drop, and you'll have a free planet. Now, I exported two different versions. One, if you just want like a side profile, you can have the side of the planet just rotating. And you can put this anywhere. Again, it's an alpha background, so there is no background. Or you could put the full version. So drag that in. And you'll have a full size planet just rotating. And that's it. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you disliked it, hit that dislike button. Subscribe for more. And see you guys later.